Social media outsourcing is a great opportunity for businesses to really properly leverage their social media content to make sure that they're not spinning their wheels with nothing in return. You have to think about your ROI, and social media outsourcing to the right business, the right company, the right person is an investment that's well worth your money. It's going to help you focus on your business while the experts focus on developing and strengthening a social media brand, a social media voice that's going to help be the best advocate for you in social media. Social media is not something that anybody can do, and anybody who tells you that is lying to you. Make sure that you're properly leveraging your social media by strongly considering outsourcing your social media presence to maximize this great resource that's available to you.